In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your Google Calendar with others. This is a really handy feature that allows you to keep everyone in the loop, whether you're planning a family event or coordinating with colleagues at work. So let's dive in and walk through the steps together. First, you'll want to open Google Calendar on your desktop. Once you're in, take a look at the left-hand side under My Calendars. You'll see a list of your calendars there. Now hover your mouse over the calendar you want to share. This will bring up a few options. Click on the three dots next to that calendar. A menu will pop up. Click on Settings and Sharing. After clicking on Settings and Sharing, you'll be brought to a new page with various settings. Scroll down until you find Share with Specific People or Groups. This is where you'll add the people you want to share your calendar with. Simply click on Add People and Groups, and then enter the email address of the person you wish to share your calendar with. You'll need to decide which permission level to grant. You have four options here. There's See Only, Free, Busy, Hide Details, which is great for keeping times available while maintaining privacy. Then there's See All Event Details if you want to share more specifics. If you want to grant permission for others to make changes, choose Make Changes to Events, or even Make Changes and Manage Sharing, depending on how much control you want to give. Once you've decided, click Send. The person you invited will receive an email invitation to add your calendar to theirs. It's that simple. If you want to share your calendar more broadly, perhaps with a larger group or the public, there's another method. Start from the same place by clicking on Settings and Sharing. This time, scroll down to Access Permissions for Events. You'll see the options to make available to public or make available for your domain if you're a workspace user. Choose which suits your situation best. Here, you can determine the level of detail you're comfortable sharing publicly. You can opt for See Only, Free/Busy, which provides minimal information, or See All Event Details if you don't mind sharing more information. Finally, to share the calendar publicly, copy the provided shareable link and send it to anyone who needs it. But a word of caution here. Making your calendar public means anyone with the link, or even search engines, may be able to see your events. So ensure you're comfortable with the visibility level you choose. And there you have it. Whether you're sharing with a select few or the entire world, these options ensure that you can manage who sees what on your Google Calendar. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful in getting your calendar set up the way you need it.